Okay, so on this one, we are asked to find some different measures. So we have to find the value of w, and then we have to go and find the value of x. So to find the value of w, if I'm looking at 44, I've got the opposite side, which is w, and the hypotenuse, which is 30. So I'm going to use the sine. So sine of 44, because the sine is the opposite over the hypotenuse, which is 30. So multiply by 30 on both sides, and I get 30 times the sine of 44 is equal to my w. So I plug this into a calculator, 30 sine of 44, and I get 20.84 is equal to my w. So what I do is I like to write this in 20.84. So that way when I look at my next triangle that I'm going to do in green here, I can see what's going on. So I've got my x here, and I need to decide what my angles are, or my sides are. So this is now my adjacent, because it's right next to it, and that's my hypotenuse. So I'm actually using the cosine here. So the cosine of x is equal to my adjacent, which is 20.84, or what that w was, over 45. So to go ahead and counteract this, I do the inverse cosine on both sides. And the reason why I do that is to get rid of the cosine, and I'm left with just x is equal to the inverse cosine of 20.84 divided by 45. And so when I plug this in, inverse cosine, 20.84 divided by 45, I hit enter and I get x is equal to 62.41 degrees. And that's how I solve this one.